Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in Azure Storage Accounts or AZ303. Today we are going to host a static website on Azure Storage Account. This functionality or feature was not there from the starting or from the beginning. It has been added uh, not recently. It's been almost a year, but it was not there before. So let's quickly check how can we host a static website on Azure Storage Account. So I'm on the same storage account where we have been working upon uh, Pachehra 05. And if we go to under settings, we'll find static website. It's very simple. You just need to enable this feature and upload the documentation. Once you enable it, it will ask you the document uh, and also the error document. Okay. So in the index document, let me type index.html and I'll hit save. Now, as soon as I hit save, it will give me this endpoint. If you see, it looks like the endpoints for other services that Azure Storage provide, like the name of the storage account, then slash, then blob.core.windows for the blob storage, files.core.windows for the file storage. But this is the web service, so it did certain tweaking in this URL, certain changes. It's not the Azure Storage account blob URL. So it's different. Okay. Now I have added the document as index.html. So let me quickly go ahead under the containers where it might have, yes, it has created two containers for us. One is web and one is logs. These are the containers gets created automatically when you enable the static website. Under web there is nothing right now. We need to upload the static file HTML. So let me click here, go to the desktop index.html. I'll open it and I'll upload it. You see the index.html is here, and if I go ahead and start browsing the URL for the static website that it was providing, it should show me the index.html that I have uploaded. There we go. Welcome to Pachera Talks. This is coming from the storage account. Wonderful. Now, when we were on the study website, there is one more error document. We can put the error document in case our website is not working. The request will be showing something else. If you have seen, not exactly like this, but if you have seen, if your internet is not working on your phone and you try to amazon.com, it started showing different pages, not 404 error, but it will show you uh, like a puppy or like a different kind of animal or something which says oops, something is wrong or something. So here, if our website is not working, it will start showing this error document. So let me give the name of the error document that I have, and I'll upload the document as well. If I go to the container under the web, upload one more error.html. In case something happens to index.html, it will start showing the error.html. If I browse it right now, it is the same, right? Now, one more thing, because nobody want people to edit their pages. So you can see I cannot do anything because it is only the read access. Okay. You do not have any other access here. So and these containers are created by the Microsoft or Azure. So let me go ahead and do some kind of uh, malfunction. Let me delete this one. If I'm deleting this one, then of course this URL cannot find this, and it should start. This is error page. It started showing me the error page. So that's how we can host our static website on the storage account. We also use these endpoints. Let me go to a demo, and if I go to the one of the blob, we have this URL here, right? We would not be able to browse it for sure because this is, I have not put any kind of access. So I just want to show you, this is this is the URL that I was talking about at the beginning. The storage account, then .blob.co.windows.net, then there is slash container, then slash name of the blob. That's how we can browse the blobs in the storage account or the objects in the storage account. But when we enable the static website, it is different. It was Pachehra 05 dot something something dot web dot co dot windows dot net. If it is files instead of blob, it will show file dot co dot windows dot net slash container name slash file name or blob name here. Okay, so yeah, that's a small video on how to host static website. And let me quickly also show you, you can change, like if I go ahead and try to refresh it. No, not this one, this URL, it will not show me anything, right? But you can change the access of this from here. I have selected this one, change the access level. It is private, right? No anonymous access. I can make it container, anonymous read access for containers and blobs. Okay. Now if it is done. Now let me try to browse it. I should have, if everything is okay, able to browse this, right? There we go. I'm able to browse this. This is MP4, it started working. Oh, so yeah, that is how this axis you can change on the each blob. Okay, and that's how the URL endpoint works. We do have the access policies that we will see in the video of shared access signature. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.